Hello students, in today's online class we are going to study triangles for class 6, under which we are going to study definition of triangle, sides of triangles, vertices of triangle, angles of triangle, side opposite to an angle, vertex opposite to a side, types of triangles and angles of property. So first we start with definition of triangle. How a triangle is formed. Suppose we take three non-collinear points. Non-collinear means they are not all falling on the same line. These are the 3 points A, B, C. This point A, this point B, this point C. They are not making a line. At least 2 points can make a line. AC make a line, BC make a line, and AB make a line. So we get a figure containing 3 line segments, and it is a closed figure made up of line segments, so it is called triangle. So how a triangle form? Any 3 non-collinear points taken on a paper or on a plane, and when the points are joined together, they define a triangle. So first we want to know what are the sides of triangle. So triangle has 3 sides. First side is AB. Second side is BC, and third side is AC. So a triangle has 3 sides. AB, this, AC, and BC. And vertices means corner points. So we have 3 corner points. First is this, second is this, third is this. So vertices can be called as A, B, and C. They are the points A, B, and C separately. And the angles, we have also 3 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. So we write the names of angles. It is very easy to write the name of angle. Suppose you want to write the angle formed at vertex A. So you take a symbol of angle, 3 fill in the blanks. In the middle you write this letter where the triangle is formed, and the other 2 letters are side by side. Or we can also swap C and B, so we can also write CAB, and we can also write angle A. So first angle is this, second angle at B can be defined as B is here A and C, or B here C here A, or angle B. Third angle is angle C, so I write C in the middle, A and B, or I write C in the middle and B here and A here, or simply angle C. So I have seen 3 angles in a triangle. Now I come to the next point, side opposite to an angle. Suppose I want to ask which side is opposite angle A. Side opposite to angle A. Which side is opposite angle A? Angle A is this, so side BC is opposite angle A. This side is BC. Similarly, I can say that angle A or point A is opposite the side BC in the same manner. And vertex opposite to a side, suppose I ask which vertex is opposite side AC. So vertex opposite means in front of, vertex opposite to side AC. Vertex opposite to side AC. Side AC is this and vertex is this. So it is B. Okay. Now we are going to study types of triangle. How many types of triangle? So triangles are basically divided on the 2 fronts. First on the basis of sides, second on the basis of angles. There are 2 bases to define types of triangle. On the basis of sides, the first type is scalene triangle. So a scalene triangle is like a triangle in which no side is equal. like I have taken this triangle in which one side is 3, second side is 4, and third side is 5. So it is scaling because no side is equal. The second type is isosceles, in which two sides are equal. Suppose I make a triangle and in which I have taken this side as 5, this is 5, and this is 4. Then this are both sides equal. So it is isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. Again, I take the third type, which is equilateral triangle. Equilateral. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Suppose I make a triangle whose each side is 5 centimeters. Then this is equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. So there are three types of triangle based on the sides. Now I am going to take triangles based on the angles. On the basis of angles, we can define three types of triangles. First is acute triangle, acute angled triangle, in which all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So it is called acute angled triangle. Again, I take obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle, in which one angle, only one, note the point, only one angle is more than 90, like 100, 30 and 50. Here all the angles are acute, like 70, 60 and 50. Sum of all the three angles is 180 everywhere. So in an obtuse angle triangle, only one angle can be obtuse and other two angles are acute. And third type is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, in which only one angle is the right angle and other two are acute angles. Like this angle is 90 and other two angles may be 30 and 60. Suppose this is 60, so this may be 30. Then sum of all the angles is again 180. So I have defined the types of triangles based on sides, based on angles, and now I am going to take angle sum property. Angle sum property says all the three angles of triangles when added together they will form 180 degrees. So we can write angle sum property as angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. This is called angle sum property of the triangle. You note it down. Here are all the things necessary to solve the exercises or problems related to the triangles in class 6. So all the students are required to note it down, all which I have written. And now I am going to explain some things further. You please note it down. Now I have taken two problems based on the angle sum property of the triangle. The first problem is the measures of an angle are in the ratio 1:3:5, and the measure of each angle. Second problem is 3 times angle A equal to 4 times angle B equal to 6 times angle C. Calculate the angles. So first I am going to solve the first problem in which the ratio of angles is given. So I form a triangle ABC like this, in which I am going to take angle A as 1x, angle B is 3x, angle C is 5x. This is the method to separate the ratios. How the ratios are separated: 1:3:5, and x is taken in multiply. So 1x, 3x, and 5x. And now I write in triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to 1x, let angle B is equal to 3x, angle C is equal to 5x, using angle sum property. Angle sum property, How angle sum property is used? You write angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which comes to be 180. Put the values 1x plus 3x plus 5x is 180. So 5, 3, 8 or 9x becomes 180. So x becomes 180 upon 9, which comes to be 20 degree. So angle A becomes 1x means 20 degree. Angle B becomes 3x, 3 into 20, that is 60 degree. And angle C is 5x, 5 into 20, that is 100 degree. In this way, you see 100 plus 60 plus 20 becomes 180. Second problem, it was problem number 1. And the second problem is 3 times angle A is equal to 4 times angle B is equal to 6 times angle C, and I take this all equals LCM of 3, 4 and 6, which becomes 12, so I take it 12x. I first take LCM of 3, 4 and 6, and the LCM of 3, 4 and 6 will come to be 12. You note it down separately on the paper and find out the LCM separately, and it comes to be 12, so I take it 12x. Now 3 angle is 12x, so angle A becomes 12x upon 3, that is 4x. Now 4 angle B is 12x, so angle B is 12x upon 4, which is 3x. Now 6 angle C is 12x, then angle C becomes 12x upon 6, that is 2x. Now I use angle sum property. Using angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which comes out to be 180, and put the values in this. Angle A is 4x plus 3x plus 2x becomes 180. Next step, 4, 3, 7 or 2, 9x becomes 180. Next step, x becomes 180 upon 9, which comes to be 20. So we can find angles A as 4x, 4 into 20, that is 80. Angle B as 3x, 3 into 20, that is 60. And angle C as 2x, that is 20 into 2, that is 40. And you check if these are 180, 80, 60, 140 and 40, 180. So our question is right. I have verified. So this is the way to write angle sum property. I have demonstrated 2 questions. I hope you all have understood the things, how the property is going to be applied. Now I hope you will do the rest question yourself. Hoping this, I close the video. Thank you.